Tri-Cities. Hi. All right, welcome to the best week of summer. Welcome to the Benton Franklin Fair and Rodeo. My name is Rika, and this is
Fabian.
And we do a little morning show on Power 99.1. And if you have come up to us and said hi, we love you, we appreciate you, we never get to see you. We actually can't see you when we're talking in that box. Okay? So we love to see you out and about. So thank you so much for coming up and saying hi to us and not just staring, right?
And not putting us in
I definitely got put in a headlock one time by a listener. It was
True
very
story.
awkward. True story. So anyway, we're going to get off the stage. We're going to have these boys behind us sing the national anthem, and I'm going to let Fabian introduce them.
That's right, if we could all stand for the national anthem.
Yeah.
To sing it, the Mid Columbia Boys Choir.
Get close.
Wasn't that amazing?